Your person is truly focused on you, and only you. They are planning to come towards you with the truth. They want you and miss you terribly. They are not the one to wear their hurt on their sleeve, but they are going to change their approach to you and their perspective when it comes to love and relationship. You may think they are cool, calm, and emotionally detached, but your person is feeling quite opposite, and soon they are going to confess their feelings. You are their true love, and they want to see where this connection can go. They know you have been very strong, compassionate, and patient towards them. Your person want to thank you and show you honest appreciation with love and affection. Allow them to come in and fully express themselves to you. They feel like they owe it to you. Your person can't stand the separation. They have realized a lot about you, and then through the silence, they never thought they would fall for you as hard as they did. Subscribe for more upcoming channeling.